This LOS is describe secondary markets for bonds. Primary and secondary bond markets. So now we're going to look at secondary bond markets. Secondary markets, also called the aftermarket, are where existing securities are traded among investors. An organized exchange provides a place where buyers and sellers can meet to arrange their trades. Although buyer-sell orders may come from anywhere, the transaction must take place at the exchange according to the rules imposed by the exchange. In contrast with over-the-counter markets, buy and sell orders initiated from various locations are matched through a communications network. Thus, over-the-counter markets need electronic trading platforms over which users submit buy and sell orders, and bonds are traded on over-the-counter markets. So now let's look at some trading and settlement dates. Secondary market settlement for government and quasi-government bonds typically takes place either on a cash basis or a T+1 basis, trade plus 1 day. With cash settlement, trading and settlement occur on the same day. With T+1 settlement, settlement takes place the day after the trade date. In contrast, corporate bonds usually settle on a T+2 or T+3 basis. So we'll just finish this LOS with two quick practice questions. In the first one, a bond purchased in a secondary market is most likely purchased from A, the bond's issuer, B, the bond's lead underwriter, or C, another investor in the bond. Okay, that one should be easy. This is a very easy LOS anyhow. So C is correct. Secondary bonds markets are where bonds are traded among investors. A and B are incorrect because a bond purchased from the bond's issuer or from the bond's lead underwriter would happen in the primary, not the secondary market. And one last easy practice question to finish this LOS on. Corporate bonds will most likely settle A, on the trade date, B, on the trade date plus 1 day, or C, by the trade date plus 3 days. And I think that should be an easy one to end on. Corporate bonds will most likely settle by the trade date plus 3 days. C is correct. So also, you see I cut and paste in bold green. Corporate bonds usually settle on a T+2 or T+3. Anyhow, C was correct. And that's the last slide for this LOS. Thank you.